Hi friends, myself Premanan Pillai. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest information technology related videos. Today I will show you how to create a specified amount of space for Veracrypt. Veracrypt is a software, third-party software, which is using for encryption of your data. You can encrypt your data by AES, Blowfish, and there are so many type of algorithm available. I will show you how to do a specified amount. I am not doing a full partition, I am just showing you a specified amount of space as an encryption decryption space. First of all, I had already installed Veracrypt. You can see here it is installed on my PC. Now I am opening that. Now you can see here there are so many drives, letters are available. Now you can see here there is a small button, create volume. I'm just clicking on that. You can see here I am just making an encrypted file container. You can also use partition drive or something. Actually I don't want to create a full partition. I only want a specified amount. It means 20 GB, 10 GB, 1 GB, whatever you are required of. Okay, and I'm just using a very Veracrypt volume, that is a standard one. Now you can see here volume location, you can select. I'm just making that on the E drive. You can create wherever you want, just like this. Okay, I'm just going to this space. Now I will create one. You can type whatever you want. I am just creating for some educational purpose, so I am just typing like this. Okay, now you can see here it is on the E drive. The folder name will be encrypted volume, don't delete. Okay, now you can select whichever algorithm you want. You can see here there are so many: AES, Serpent, Blowfish, Towfish, AES, Twofish, Serpent, and there are so many available. I'm just using an AES one. Okay, you can hash algorithm also, you can change whatever you want. Now how much do you want? You have 190 GB of space. I only want 20 GB. Okay, I'm selecting 20 GB. You can see here you can create in KB, MB, TB, GB, whatever you want. I need only 20 GB. Now you must put a password here. Again I am confirming that. You can see here it is showing some sort of blah blah blah, that is short password. You need to create more than 20 characters and so on, but I'm okay with this. I don't want to create large files. Now you must rotate your mouse on a fast way. You can see here whenever you move the cursor, the line on the bottom of that pop-up, you can see here it is moving, and This is the way of randomly as possible with, you can see here, okay, random pooling. Now it's okay, and I'm creating that as NTFS. You can create that on FAT also, and now you can format the partition. It will take a while. The selected partition or the selected container is formatting by the algorithm so that it can be protected. Nobody will do any intrusion to that, so that your material in that container will be safe. We are using an AES algorithm for this. I just give my consent for this Veracrypt. Now you can see here Veracrypt had done it successfully. I don't want to create another one. I'm just exiting this one, and now I will find the file where I had created. You can see here I'm giving open, and you must select whichever volume you want. Okay, you can select whichever you want, A, B, or whichever you want. I'm selecting B. Then I will mount. Now you can see here you must put the password that you have created while you created the container. It is taking a while because of the first time, otherwise it is very responsive. Now it is working. Okay, let me find is it okay or not. This one, it's working now. Let us find the drive, B drive. This one, you can see here it is the B drive, and it is working now. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest information technology related videos.